Hey kids! Welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go!
We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going!
Some sounds are short, which is Mizuna's peeing sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Ella the One's pooping sound effect. And some sound effects are very long, which is Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. Let's talk about sound effects. In today's Talking About Sound Effect is the farting and moaning in a bathtub sound effect from Yuri. Here we go again with the 18th episode of this series. Oh, hello, Ira Noella here, and today I'm going to be talking about the farting and moaning in a bathtub sound effect from Yuri. It's from a video called The Gassy Bath. Get your fart. It was uploaded 3 years ago on 2022, August 19th. The duration of the sound effect for this video is 41 to 107. Let's see how many total seconds of the sound effect from the video would be. It's 26. Just like what I said in Paulina Chan's pooping sound effect, which is the previous episode. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Because it's only used for my female OCs and characters when they poop in the toilet all by themselves. Here's what it sounds like, I guess. See? I've already told you that sound effect would sound like. This sound effect is only used for my female OCs and characters when they poop in the toilet. Or especially in the bathtub. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to Yuri before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here and it will be in the description below. The sound effect starts at 0:41 and it ends at 1:07. And make sure to remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode.